Hey all, welcome to John's Bomber Making. Today we've got the Lancaster Bomber, issues 17 and 18. There we go, excellent. 17 is the instrument panel, painted installed on the cabin of the Lancaster Bomber, of course. There it is. Very small. Similar to that other console, the Flight Engineers console we did. And here we have issue 18. Some more of a cabin. So let's have a quick look at the instructions, see what it all entails. There we go, issue 17, step-by-step instructions. So there we go, we fit it, test fit it anyway, and then we just bang it all together. We've got to paint it, assemble it, put the decals on, do something similar to what we did here, like these dials here. You've got to paint the inner part of the dial, make it red, and then these other pieces go into place as well. And there we go, there's the final result, looking splendid. And there's a little piece here as well that goes right in the corner. Excellent stuff. See all that? Looking brill. And issue 18, the build continues with the assembly of a further section of the Lancaster's main fuselage. Cabin forms are fitted including to position on the fuselage baseboard. Excellent. There we go. And that will end up. Oh, we've got a bit more to do. We've got some strengtheners, I think, here on the main cabin that was already put together. That's what we'll end up looking like. Here we have 85B. Just got to bevel it and then spray it and pop it here. Goes to the back of here. Excellent stuff. There we go, those are the parts. Let's get them out. That little piece, that will show you where that goes as well. There we go, those are the parts. There's the decals, there's the paddle back, and that little piece I shall show you shortly. These are some of the controls. As you can see, they are minute, just like the Flight Engineers console. Brilliant stuff. This little piece, this will go here, just there at the side of that piece there, and we reduce the size of that. This should go eventually on here, if I can get it in. So I'll lower me to get it in. This is going to be a bit of fiddling around there like that. It's not a bad fit, that, actually. There we go. And as you can see with this, these two holes here, there we go. That's why we need that additional piece. We'll have to file this and into shape. Okie doke, that's the instrument panel, here and here, all primed, just like that sets. And there's that little piece that we add to extend that. We've got to cut that down now. Once that panel is in place, we can cut it, match it up, paint it black, and then we can add the decals. But whilst all that's drying, we'll start issue 18. There we go, issue 18. Let's get the parts out. There we go. Should be pretty straightforward. This, as always, they want us to label these up. These already are, as you can tell. 87, yep. Okay, let's get them out. Here we have part 85B. I've beveled off, or rated off this edge. This fits into here, into the back here. So I need to paint it and then slot it in place. I will glue that. Then we can get back to these. 86 and 85A. No, sorry, 85 and 85A are gluing. They're virtually set. So we'll leave them for now and get on with painting this. Here we have the instrument panel. That's nicely dried off now, nice and black. So we can get the dials painted now. Brilliant. Here we have 85B, this piece, it's been painted, obviously that goes in here, there, like that, and all I need to do is glue that in place. So there we are, there's a little bit of glue on there, and all we need to do now is drop this in here and then position it, and if you need to touch it up you can do. Bring that across. That's too much. There we go. Press that into place. There we go. You can see it just needs a little touch up there. And that's how it looks. Can you see that? There you go. You just see that end. Too dark on that side. There we go. There's that. I think it's just a strengthener. Okay, now we got this instrument panel. Before I put it in the cab, we need to paint that, and that one, then for the red, that one yellow, that one green. These four here we can leave as they are. There we go. That's all them little dials, buttons, all painted. That's the instrument panel finished. All I need to do now is to put it on the cabin. Excellent stuff. There we go. That's the panel in place. So we can get a bit of a close up. That's not looking too bad at all. Cracking detail. It's got one little piece to put in place, which is this. There we go. We can see that piece right in the corner over here. That was very fiddly, very difficult to put in place, but it's super glued in place now. There we go. You can see the edges need a little bit of touching up, but I think we can get away with that. Well, that is looking cracking. Okay, all there's left to do now is to put some scribble on that instrument panel, just like we did on the Flight Engineers console. There we see. There we go, finally. Now we just need to replicate onto there with a bit of white paint. So I'll show you that in a minute. There we go. There's the best scribble I can come up with. I suppose it looks pretty effective. There we go. Excellent stuff. And there's 85B in place, strengthening that backboard. And here we have the completion of issue 18. Excellent stuff. Obviously we've got a lot more to do with this, but we can pop that to one side now. Well, there we go guys, that's it. That's another 2 issues completed. There's 18. Not a fantastic lot, but it's done. And we have, I know you can't see it, but you've already seen it close up, the instrument panel looking fandabidozy. Yep, pretty chuffed about that. And obviously the strengthener here. Brilliant, excellent stuff. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon. Let's see, 19 and 20. So we've got another, what is it, 125 issues, so we've got another 107 issues yet. So brilliant stuff. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.